Meeting and New Year talk, New Year plans.
Lucy, hello Emma, how are you today?
Emma, hi Lucy, I am fine, thank you.
Lucy, the new year is very close now.
Emma, yes, I feel excited and happy.
Lucy, me too. The new year feels special.
Emma, what should we do to start the new year well?
Lucy, first, we should set simple goals.
Emma, I agree, I want to wake up early.
Lucy, that is a good habit.
Emma, I also want to read more books.
Lucy, I want to spend less time on my phone.
Emma, that is a very smart goal.
Lucy, do you want to buy something for the new year?
Emma, yes, I want to buy a new calendar.
Lucy, why do you need a calendar?
Emma, I want to plan my days better.
Lucy, I want to buy a small notebook.
Emma, what will you write in it?
Lucy, I will write my dreams and plans.
Emma, that sounds nice.
Lucy, do you buy gifts for your family?
Emma, yes, I do. I want to make them smile.
Lucy, what kind of gifts do you like? Emma, simple gifts, maybe tea or warm socks. Lucy, that is very thoughtful.
Emma, what will you do on New Year's night?
Lucy, I will stay at home and relax. Emma, will you watch something? Lucy, yes, I will watch a movie and drink tea.
Emma, that sounds calm and nice.
Lucy, what do you wish for the new year?
Emma, I wish for peace and good health.
Lucy, I wish to feel stronger and happier.
Emma, I hope this year brings good days.
Lucy, let's do our best this year.
Emma, Happy New Year, Lucy.
Lucy, Happy New Year, Emma. Lucy, good morning, Emma. How was your New Year's night?
Emma, good morning, Lucy. It was nice and calm.
Lucy, that sounds good. What did you do?
Emma, I met my friends and talked a lot.
Lucy, did you come home late?
Emma, no. I came home early. I wanted to rest.
Lucy, that is a good start for the new year.
Emma, yes, today I feel relaxed and happy.
Lucy, me too. Let's keep our plans and goals.
Emma, yes, one day at a time.